Elgato, Elgato, Elgato. You truly have made an excellent product. I use so many of your products. I think you should sponsor me maybe, lol. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Ahmed and today we're unboxing the Elgato Stream Deck XL version, the 32 keys version. Let's get going. I actually bought this as a used item. As you all know, that I've already got the stream. Ugh. That's interesting packaging from the sender, lol. Let me actually tear this and then I'll talk, because I didn't realize I'm going to struggle this much from this. I'm so confused. There we go. I don't think this actually comes with the box. I just bought it recently. This is some epic packaging. in a shoebox. I love it. Do you know, I need to start buying more used stuff just to see how creative people get. Oh my days. I'm so excited. I'm more excited than getting it brand new. Wow. Let's see if there's any type of surprises in here for me. What's going on? Okay, so at least they packed it well, right? This is a used one that I bought because the reason is I've already got the Mark II Stream Deck, but it's so useful that I thought I'm going to be buying the 32 key. It's been so beneficial so far. Let's see the quality actually. Look at this. This is interesting. This is 32 keys, as you all know. Hopefully it's working and stuff. I'll put in the comments below if it isn't, if there's any damage or whatever. But let's have a look at the product. This is 32 key Stream Deck. The cable's already in there. Do you know what? I'm already happy regardless of if it works or not because of how they packaged it. It's made my day, lol. Yes, that's all it takes to make my day. Okay, so USB is the standard cable. But yeah, why did I get this? The Stream Deck Mark II has helped me so much in my editing and just my workflow. I thought having more keys will be so much better. I just want to let you all know, right? Having the Stream Deck itself, you can create so many folders. I've created so many, probably like 40 folders. And in the folders, I've created so much automation, so much to the extent, for example, say if I want to go out to eat, I actually have a button which I've automated using Apple shortcuts where I have a list of places where it automatically texts my wife, do you want to go here? Pick 2 places, and then if she doesn't pick, there's an option saying you choose, and when she chooses, I've got another automation which basically picks from the list that I've created. The possibilities are endless with this. It's just such a great tool. I don't know why I didn't have it earlier, but yeah, whilst we're here, just to let you all know, I do have my merch available on my website. This is the sponsor for today's video, myself. So do check out my website for all of my merch related to crypto stuff and just my branding. And if you wanted to create videos like myself with all the quality and the way I do it, do check out my gear list. It's all in the description below and on my website. Everything is listed there, and they have affiliate links, just so you're aware. I do make some income from that if you do purchase, and they're qualified purchases. In addition, I sell all my LUTs on my website. My LUTs, these are to color grade all my footage, my photos. Do check it out. Let me know what you think in the description below if you do use any of this. Do check out my checklists as well. I've got so many products, I just realized. This is a quick unboxing video of the shoebox Elgato version. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy this quick unboxing. I really highly recommend this item. And yeah, please do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.